This is Rob Fryan with Brudico Engineering here at the Jensen Headhouse. Going to show you around a little bit. Here we have the storefront of the building. Canopy and the plaster. With our precast columns. Aluminum stripping down the tile to cover up some of our holes. Also along the top. MWD put in new lights. Their plaque there. Left them a little piece of copper pipe there for future sprinklers for their little planter here. Okay, now we're going to go take a walk inside the building. There's their beautiful terrazzo floor and seal. Did a pretty good job of protecting this in place. They stripped and waxed it here a couple days ago. Looks nice and shiny. It's their display case with Joe Jensen in there. So you can look up top. I guess you're going to put a bunch of maps up in this area showing the plant. There's the T-bar and the prismatic lighting. Some downlights around the edges of the walls. It's the door leading into the demonstration area. Another cabinet there. Precast columns we finished at the bottom near the terrazzo by putting in an aluminum strip there to hide some of the damage. There's one small blemish there that needs to be taken care of. Caulked all of our joints. Again, here's the storefront now from the inside. My phone ringing. Okay, this is the demonstration room. See a couple projectors there. Walls. The other map here. Lighting on the T-bar. It's all cleaned up, looks pretty good. This area is the storage room. It used to be the old projector room. Got a small soffit just right above us. There used to be a 3-foot stage inside this room that got demolished. They put a couple of little electrical boxes to hide some stuff out on the floor. There's your soffit. Did with T-bar. Save the plant a couple $1,000s on that. There's the front desk of the receptionist area. There's a little window that we installed as an extra. We're going to go right here into the hallway. Back and take a look at it. Put some modular furniture in here. Bunch of blue walls. And this wall right here, from this column line to this wall, used to be one continuous wall. That was all opened up so that they could put extra modulars in here and make a little bit more room. They went ahead and painted all the cabinetry in here the same color as the doors. Put all new receptacle switches on the walls everywhere. This is the other portion of the main office. They've got their electricians in here doing some extra work on the lightings. Again, you can see all the switches that we took out and replaced. New lighting down the corridor. There's Kenny, our painter.
Did I get videoed?
Yes, sir. This is what used to be the old conference room. I guess this is going to be now Cheryl's office. Got kind of a two-tone look to it. You see the lights again up top. Lines are all installed. Okay, here we are in Dave Dean's new office. This used to be Cheryl's office. And right here you wouldn't have been able to see that wall because there would have been a partition directly in front of you. Again, this area was all cleaned up, but there's still some debris left here from the electricians. That's where your partition wall used to be. They put all new lights in here, the prismatic kind, and swapped out the old lights that used to be in here. I wish I could back up a little bit more with this thing, but I have to kind of walk backwards. So, as I stated before, their plant electricians are in here installing different types of lighting. We had gone in and installed an extra row of lights in here, which is what MWD had asked for. There's 5 rows in here as opposed to the 4 that were in here originally. There's an additional screen that they put in here, and they had JME TV come in here and put in a extra TV screen, which is what's underneath that bag. Replaced all of the curtains, not curtains, but the shades. Put all those back in. This room again, this used to be Dave Dean's old office. This is now going to be the new conference room. There used to be a partition wall going across here, then a second partition wall going across this side, and that's all been removed to open it up to one big area. There's a hole right there on the floor you can see that's left for a conference room table.